Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. I meet you today for the last video of the special Valentine's Day collection with the making of a cold process soap on the theme of love letters. I'm gonna to use a blend of cocoa butter and coconut, olive and castor oil for a gentle creamy lathering soap. For its look, I want to make a white square decorated with a red heart and a kiss, reminiscent of the lipstick kisses I left on my letters during my teenager years. I will then represent the flap of the envelope with line in black liquid dye. I'm going to start by making a really red melt and pour red heart and kisses. I leave you with a clip. Then I'm going to make the soap by mixing my oils with my lye solution and color my dough in white. Add the fragrance oil and then I will pour my dough but without completely filling the cavities of the mold to have room to add kisses and hearts. For its smell, I opted for a fragrance oil from Smellingood called Seduce Me. A blend of raspberry, freesia, lychee, bergamot, peony, rose, jasmine, lily of the valley, patchouli and white musk. I leave you with the video and see you at the end of the production. Here is my soap still fresh. I'm going to leave it alone for a few moments before bringing it up to the curing room for at least 2 or 3 days before unmolding it. See you again at the time. 3 days have passed and I can now unmold my soap. I will start by unmolding my little love letters, then using a vegetal peeler, I will delicately even out the edges. Once all my soap are ready, I will prepare a little black mica with isopropylyl alcohol and using a face mask applicator, I will mark the edge of my envelope. Sadly, my mixture was unfortunately too liquid and my flaps drew up, but I am still happy with the result. And you, what do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't hesitate to look in the playlist for more ideas for Valentine soap. Next week, I will see you again with the making of a liquid shampoo for devitalized hair or very dry hair. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.